How to enable or disable automatic sharing of content in messages in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, scroll down and here you can see the option messages. Now click on messages and then click on shared with you. Now here you can turn off your automatic sharing content in messages. Here you can enable or disable it. So this is the way to enable or disable automatic sharing of content in messages in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.